Discover the essentials of UAE corporate tax return filing, including who needs to file, registration, deadlines, computations, and penalties. Get a quick overview of the tax filing process, covering rates, registration, computation, and compliance, all at a glance. Understand the critical numbers in corporate tax, including thresholds, reliefs, and audit requirements to ensure compliance. Learn about the scope and setup of corporate tax, including registration and tax periods. Explore what corporate tax is, how it differs from VAT, and the applicable rates for different income levels. Identify who needs to register and file for corporate tax, including companies, free-zone persons, and individuals with significant business income. Understand the registration process for EmaraTax, including online registration and the importance of timely filing. Define the tax period for corporate tax, typically aligning with the financial year, and understand the options for different period lengths. Get an overview of the return and computation process, focusing on self-assessment and filing requirements. Learn about the return process using EmaraTax, focusing on self-assessment and the role of authorized signatories. Understand the 9-month rule for filing and payment, emphasizing the importance of meeting deadlines to avoid penalties. Learn how to compute taxable income, including adjustments and worked examples for clarity. Explore what the tax return contains, including computations, elections, adjustments, and disclosures. Get an overview of reliefs, tax groups, and compliance requirements, focusing on small business relief and financial statements. Understand the criteria for small business relief, simplifying obligations for eligible businesses with no taxable income. Learn about forming tax groups, allowing subsidiaries to file a single consolidated return and benefit from consolidated accounting. Understand the financial statement and audit requirements for different revenue levels and qualifying free-zone persons. Explore the essentials of transfer pricing, including the arm's length principle and disclosure requirements. Learn about payment deadlines, amendment processes, and penalties for non-compliance, emphasizing the importance of accurate record-keeping. Follow the step-by-step filing workflow for corporate tax, from registration to archiving, ensuring a smooth process.